on the Recollet Falls Trail, which is a nice 1.5 kilometre stroll, and hopefully we'll see some exciting things along the way.
Sounds good, let's go. Alright, so far so good. The trail's a little bit, lots of rocks and roots, but there aren't too many people out here. It's a little bit cooler maybe for them. But not for us, right Soph?
No, we're tough.
Still hiking along. Soph is up ahead, taking the lead. How's it going up there, Soph? No bears yet?
No bears, no sprained ankles. Wow.
We still are hoping to catch a bear on video though. Alright, had to run back to the car. Forgot to get the camp stove and coffee. Two essential things for this hike. Alright, we're still hiking along. Watch your steps, Soph. It's getting steep.
It is getting steep.
Get down there. No sprained ankles today.
No.
Head in. You can kind of see the river out there now. There's the river beside us, just through the trees. On our way up to those waterfalls. Soph is trucking over there. Better keep going. Oh yeah, Soph, got a good view of the river here. Sounds like the waterfalls are up ahead. Here we go, Soph. We're getting close now. It's got to go down now. I think it's going to bring us out to the top of the waterfall. I can kind of see it through the trees just over there. Oh yeah, Soph, made it to the waterfall.
Woohoo! Looks good.
Soph's doing a good job setting up that stove.
Do you put what goes next?
It's a puzzle, Soph. It's a puzzle. Yeah. You can figure it out.
I still don't have a camping bone in my body.
I'll go get the water while you figure out that puzzle. Success! Boom! It blows up.
Don't you need a flame for that to happen?
Oh yeah, Soph, how's the coffee over there?
I'm not trying it yet because Jason just burnt his tongue.
It's hot.
But it looks amazing. It smells good. I'm sure it's going to taste delicious.
Bon appetit. French River coffee. All right, well, we did it. Got a nice hike in, beautiful sunny day. Flew the drone, almost crashed it. But it's been good. We're going to take a hike back and check what else we can do.
Mashkonongi, Jesus. I don't know how to say.
Try to pronounce that one, Soph. Mashkonongi. We found another one.
Yeah, a bit of a score after going to the other place. We found a map for a whole new hiking trail.
It's a whole day of hikes ahead of us.
Hence the banana.
Here we go. Up the trail. Oh wow, this is a nice trail.
They're pretty. Look at the leaves.
Yeah, I got some nice colors coming through here. Leaves falling on the ground. This is going to be a sweet hike. All right, so we came to the marsh, complete with boardwalk and a beaver dam.